Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we're going to see how you can check the online status of someone without going online on WhatsApp. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is head to Google Play Store, search for Yamsa. You need to click on install option. Here it is installed. So I'll head to this app. Once the installation is done in your phone, open the app, click on allow option. Here it is giving a demo of how you can check online status. Click on OK. Click on the @ sign here. Click on WhatsApp. Here it is giving a demo. So you need to click on OK and enter the number whose last name you want to check. Click on OK. When the profile gets online, you'll get a notification as it is written here. If you want to disable the notification, then you can disable it by doing this. To delete this, you have to swipe it to left and click on delete option. You can also rename it from here. You can also delete it by clicking on the delete option here. In this way, you can check the online status of someone without going online on WhatsApp. This app also doesn't collect any data, so it's safe and also easy to use. So this was the app with the help of which you can check online status without going online on WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.